Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia and I have a different sort of a makeup tutorial. Really, this is a makeup celebration. A celebration for my Aunt Judy's life. She left this month and this makeup tutorial is to remind me and you to live our lives like it's golden, just like Aunt Judy lived hers. So in this makeup tutorial, let's celebrate together. Your life is golden, and it's up to you to live it that way every day. I'm starting with new makeup from Black Radiance, and I'm going through these facial expressions that are not quite sure if I want to cry or smile. So I'm in the middle area, but Aunt Judy wouldn't want me to be sad, so I choose to be happy. Now let me look at these brows. I think they're okay. Yeah, they're more than okay. They'll do. And this new primer from Black Radiance, I'm trying it out today. Looks like it doesn't want to come out here, but let's see. I gotta make sure that I take care of my skin while I'm doing so much makeup, because I don't want Polly and Molly and Susie and Cutie showing up like these little bumps that have come on the side of my eye. I think they have popped up because I'm using more products on my hair, and my skin is irritated sometimes from my pillowcase. Now what I'm doing here is putting that powder over my primer. Make it better for my eyeshadow to stay on. And this is Anastasia of Beverly Hills. And I'm using matte too. So I'm going to combine these two eyeshadow palettes to come up with what I want to represent Aunt Judy's life, and that is a golden hue. Yes, a golden bronzy hue. So I have my girl Carly Bible's palette, which I love, and I'll be using that bronzy shade for highlighter, and I want lots of it. So isn't this a beautiful palette though? I've used the top already in another tutorial, but since this is a gold look, I'm going for that top row again. But the bottom two I'll use in a coming tutorial because they are just so pretty. Now here I'm putting a little swash of that brown matte color with no name in my crease. I don't know why I'm continuing to look at you as though somehow if I blinked you might disappear, but I see you're still here and we're going to make this work. I told you they just pop up because I guess my skin is irritated. Yes, I did release my second weave. And even though I loved it, I absolutely adore being back in my natural hair. Here I'm making sure I blend those powdery colors into the eye, not to have such unblended look. I'm using that as a contour shade and bringing it up over the middle part of my eye inside the crease. There's that MAC shade underneath. I believe I got it the way I want it. So let's see. We got to make that magic happen with the other eye. Boop, there we go. Now I'm spritzing my face with water and my brush with water because that Fenty foundation matte makes my skin so dry. Yes, the color isn't quite right, but my powder will bring it up more to my complexion. I love these Fenty matchsticks though, and this one I decided to use as a concealer. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I like it. Now for a more of a burgundy contour. Yes. There's the beignet powder over my concealer. It's coming together more and more. Yes, I'm liking it. Aunt Judy would have liked it too. She was so warm and comforting and complimentary and just fabulous. She's my last matriarch on my father's side of the family. Oh, spritz that face, spritz that face. And yes, I know the highlighter is off the chain, high bronze, but that's okay. That's how I'm feeling. Fan it, girl, fan it. Fluff those curls. Yes. I like this bronzy shade because I didn't have any gold lipstick. So yeah, Anacilla in England, there's your lipstick. Gold Queen. Or was it? No, not Gold Queen. I think that was Bronze Queen. Yes. Just to give you a close-up of the whole look here. Yeah. I was working on my eyeliner too. Okay, so this is the finished look. I had to put on a golden type dress. I love the color part. Yes, curls popping. Hey y'all, my curls are soft, and this is, I think, a day old twist out. I just can't stop smiling. I don't know if Aunt Judy would like that. I mean, she was a pastor of a church in Connecticut, but she would like me expressing myself. Yeah, I'm golden. I'm golden here, y'all. Okay? Yes. Oh, and I have my royalty forehead out too. But here I go, doing a different style for you. You know, there was a time I did not wear my forehead out. I would wear bangs all the time. Now, I'm not really trying to conceal it here. I'm just giving you a different look. That's quite enough. The curls will be frizzy. You move them too much. There we go. Take them back out of the way. Let your whole face show. Oh, okay. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, Aunt Judy. Thank you all for helping me to celebrate her life. Mwah, mwah. See you in the next video. Bye.